Hello guys, a new section has been added to Hamster Kombat, which by that you can get 1 million coins almost every day. To get this reward, you should enter the Morse code. As you may know, Morse code is based on points and lines. I will put the hidden Morse code in my channel every day. So please subscribe my channel and activate the new post alarm so you will be informed when I put the new hidden Morse code. Well, to enter the Morse code, you should first activate the hamster. How? By this method. You should triple click on the enter tab in above left corner of the phone screen, and when the color around the hamster change to red like this, it means it has activated, and now you can enter the Morse code. As I said, Morse code is based on point and lines. To enter the point, you should click on the phone, and to enter the line, you should hold your finger for 1 or 2 seconds. That's it. In next video, I will upload all Morse codes that you need for this section. I deeply appreciate if you share and introduce my channel to your friends, and also many thanks for your subscribes and supports of this channel. Thank you guys, have fun.